All right, it's April 14th. I managed to come out here and get in these creeks today by myself. I got a good buddy, Brian. You may have seen his stuff on Brian's 840. He couldn't be with me today. His health's kind of failed him a little bit, and I just want to put a shout out to him. Maybe some of what I find today I can hook him up with. But I got a killer down here laying in this little water bed right here. I know Brian wishes he could have been with me, but not as quiet a piece. Got a pretty good bevel to it there. And I'm glad to have that one. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll get back if I get something else.